Even in today's video, we will see how to fix the on soundbar not turning on, power and power supply troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the power connection. If your model use a power adapter, verify you are using the original adapter. Now plug the soundbar directly into the wall outlet instead of a surge protector or extension cord. Then test the outlet by unplugging in another device and such as a lamp or phone charger. Fix 2. Perform a hard power reset. Unplug the soundbar from the wall outlet, disconnect the power cable from the soundbar if removable. Wait at least 60 seconds. Reconnect everything and press the power buttons on the soundbar. Fix 3. Wake the soundbar from the standard mode. So press the power or mode buttons on the soundbar itself. If available, use the original remote to switch the input or wake the device. Fix 4. Inspect the power cable. Look for cuts, loose connector or bent pins. If the cable is detachable, try a compatible replacement power cord. Ensure the cable fits securely into the soundbar. Fix 5. Check for overheating. If the soundbar recently shut off, plug it, let it cool for 15 to 30 seconds, minutes, and remove anything blocking the ventilation opening before turning it back on. The fix 6. Factory reset the soundbar. If your model has a reset button, you can keep the soundbar plugged into power. Locate the reset button on the back panel, often near the HDMI ARC port, then press and hold it for 15 seconds. Now wait for the soundbar to restart, then test it again. And the final fix, check for hardware failure. If there are no light, no display and no response after trying multiple working outlet and power cable, the internet power supply or main board may have failed and the soundbar will likely require repair or replacement. Goodbye and thanks for watching.